So I just arrived at the nail salon. Y'all gonna see exactly what I'm talking about in a minute. Look at all of these choices. Okay, aren't these so pretty? Yeah, I'm about to get my nails done for real. The hardest part is choosing what style I want. Like, do I want long Shanae nails for quarantine, or do I want to keep it modest? I don't know. I haven't gotten my... Look at this. It says needed. So as you know, when we go to the nail salon, we have to pick a color. So this is the design I picked. It's from Kiss. What is it? The Jewel Fantasy collection. I got a medium length because I know it's quarantine time. I'll be washing dishes and folding clothes and doing a lot of things with my hands. Being that this is not acrylic and it's only press on, I don't want to, you know, get something too long and it won't last as long. I want my nails needs to be done. Like, sis need this done ASAP. So let's get started. I just took everything out the packaging. This is the box it came in. It came with 30 press-on nails. They give you the option of using these like glue pads if you do not want to use the nail glue. It comes with nail glue. It comes with a filer, and it comes with I don't know what the technical name of it is, but it is used to push your cuticles back. So you would push the cuticles back. So it comes with that. It does come with nail glue. I like using either crazy glue or gorilla glue. It'll just keep your nails on longer. It's extra strength glue. So that's exactly what I'm going to use. So let's get started. One trick I saw from someone else putting on these press-on nails is that in the back of the press-on nails, it has a number. There you go. You see that number 8 right there? If I pick up a number 8 and match it to a nail and it fits that nail, what I'm going to do is just pick up another number 8. So I don't have to try each individual nail. So right now I'm just gonna match them up.